Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to see all of my future videos. Welcome back to my nail channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Bridal Series Polygel Nail Kit from SXC Cosmetics. I won this in a giveaway that they were having on Instagram, so make sure to go and follow them because they do weekly giveaways and their kits are huge and come with everything that you need. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So inside the bigger box, you're going to find two smaller boxes, and in the smallest one, you're going to find your UV LED lamp. This is a 24 watt lamp and it does have a setting to do 30 or 60 seconds. It's also automatic, so whenever you slide your hand in, it also turns on. Inside the smaller box, you're going to find the wall plug-in to turn on your lamp. And in this bigger box, you're going to find the rest of the kit. So inside the box, you're going to find a little book, and this is the instructions for your kit along with a few other items that they have. And here are all of the polygel colors. This kit comes with 10 different colors of polygel tubes. They are 15 milliliters each, so they are on the small side. However, it does come with 10 of them, so that's nice. This kit of course comes with the polygel tool. This one is a golden color and it does have the same cute little details as all of their other polygel brushes in their other kits. If you're new to polygel and don't know, these polygel brushes have a brush on one side and the spatula tool on the other. Underneath the plastic, there is a little separation piece. Once you remove that, you will find the rest of the contents. So this kit comes with some little tweezers to pick up your stickers with. The dual forms, so this is both the natural flat curve and the curvier dual forms. Also has some rhinestones, which I really like. These are the colorful ones and also the silver ones. Some Louis Vuitton nail stickers. The 100-180 grit hand file. The paper nail forms, I'm pretty sure this kit comes with 20 of them. Some chunky rhinestones. Honestly, I'm not quite sure what this is for. Let me know down in the comments because I don't know. And of course, the top coat, base coat, and this kit comes with 6 different glitters. I don't really show any other close-ups besides this one, so I do apologize, but I will probably be using this kit again in the future. So here's a close-up of all of the polygel colors. All of these polygels do come sealed, which you need to remove. This just prevents it from leaking in the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch out all of these colors for you to see. So here are all of the colors swatched out. As you can see, it comes with 4 different polygels that are solid colors and the rest of them are a shimmery polygel. You can also tell, but these solid color polygels are a little bit more runny than the other ones. They don't quite hold their shape as well and they do kind of run together. So keep that in mind. I have noticed that SXC polygels, the solid ones, are a little bit on the runny side. I personally love the consistency of the shimmery ones, but both are good. And here's a close-up of the nail decorations that come in this kit. I have already prepped my natural nails and applied the base gel to all of my nails. In this video, I'm going to be doing Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method. If you don't know what that is, I'll go into detail a little bit further into the video. Here are the full cover nail tips that I'm going to be using. These are from AliExpress. I am using alcohol as my slip solution. For this set, I'm going to mainly be using the color Blessed. I really loved this color. It's kind of like a rusty pink color, and of course this one is a shimmering polygel. So I'm going to start by placing the polygel inside the full cover nail tip and take the polygel brush dipped in my slip solution and start spreading out the polygel. If you're doing the dual form method or even this method, you want to make sure not to have too much product around the sides of the nail tip or dual form. This will cause the product to spill out of the dual form or the nail tip once you place it on your nail. So make sure it is on the thinner side around the sides and the cuticle area of the nail. If you turn the nail around, this is exactly what it's going to look like as you cure it on your nail. So if you don't like it, you want to go ahead and fix it before you cure it onto your nail. I did have to add a little bit more polygel onto the tip of the nail tip. So once all of the polygel spread out, I'm going to push the nail tip onto my thumb. And as you can see, a little bit of polygel did come out, but that's nothing to worry about. Take your polygel brush and go around the cuticle and sidewalls of your nail and clean that up. You also want to flip your nail around and smooth out the underside of the nail. This is very important. After everything is smoothed out, I'm going to do a full 1-minute cure under the UV LED lamp. I personally like to cure the underside as well, just to make sure that the polygel is fully cured. And I'm going to repeat the same process using the same color for my pinky and index nail. So to give you guys a little bit of information about the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method, it's basically the same method as using a dual form to apply your polygel. However, you do not pop off the nail tip once the nail is cured. So that basically just makes this process a whole lot faster because you don't really need to do any shaping or filing at the end of the manicure. So basically with this method, you want to make sure that the underside of your nail is very smooth, like as smooth as you can get it, because you're not really going to be filing the underside of your nail. You can if you have an e-file and the correct drill bit, but you're not going to be able to file the underside with a hand file, so keep that in mind if you do not have an e-file. A lot of people say with this method they last just as long as any other type of nail enhancements. I personally noticed that gel nails don't really last quite as long on my nails as they do with other nail products such as dip powder. So if you don't have any issue with gel lasting on your nails, these nails will definitely last just as long as any other type of nail enhancement. You may also want to file the inside of the nail tip before applying your polygel. This will allow the polygel to adhere better and prevent the nail tip from popping off like a dual form. So here are what my nails look like so far. As you can see, I did put my pinky nail on straight with my finger. So if you only look at my pinky nail, it does look pretty crooked. So as you can see here, my pinky kind of curves and the nail tip is straight. I did that because my nails are long, and if I followed the line of my pinky, the nail was going to turn out super crooked looking. So that's why I applied it straight with my finger. It kind of looks like a little vampire. So for the middle two nails, I'm going to be using the color Glamorous. I really like this color. I don't really know what kind of color to compare this to. It's kind of like a silvery goldish color. I don't know, but I really like this one. So this is the color that I used for the middle two nails. For my right hand, I did do it off camera, but basically this entire process that I'm doing right here that you're watching, I did it basically as quick as I could without making the nails look bad. And I completed the full set of polygel nails in 28 minutes. Like, that is crazy. Like, if I do any other type of nails, even with the polygel and the dual forms, like, it takes me at least an hour. So for my middle finger, I decided to do this one on TikTok. So I'll come back in 1 second and the nail will be placed. So here are the full set of polygel nails. I am going to take my hand file and gently reshape the tip of my nails. This is because on some of them I did have polygel that went over the edge, and I want to make sure that I have a very crisp nail shape. So I'm going to go ahead and refine my nail shape, and I'll come back in a second. The next step is to file around your cuticle area. You can do this with a hand file. However, I'm going to be using this drill bit. I don't really know what this one is called. And my portable e-file from Double Dip. And I'm going to gently file around my cuticle and sidewall areas. I honestly never really used this drill bit before, and I really love it. Like, you're probably gonna start seeing me use this drill bit all the time around my cuticles. After all of the nails have been filed, here's what they look like. I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and remove all of the dust. And one of the last steps is to remove the sticky layer from underneath your nails. This is from the Polygel. As it's cured, it does have a sticky layer. And the last step of the Lazy Girl method is to apply your top coat. So I'm using the SXC top coat that came in the kit, and this is a no wipe gel top coat, my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of top coat to all of the nails. I'm going to be honest and tell you that you probably should not be applying your top coat before your nail decorations. However, I wanted to complete this hand and also do my other hand before I needed to leave the house. That way both hands would be done and I wouldn't have one hand that was completely finished and the other hand had nothing on it. So that is why I'm applying the top coat now instead of just waiting until after the nail decorations. I do like to hold my hand upside down for a few seconds before I cure my top coat, just to make sure that the surface of my nails are super smooth. So here are what the nails look like, and both of my hands are done. So it's later in the day and I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail decorations. I have my rhinestones laid out. I am using the clear polygel that came in this kit to apply my rhinestones with. So I'm just taking the tweezers in this kit, which by the way, I really love them. They're really nice. And I'm just applying some of that clear polygel on the back of the rhinestone. And I'm going to push the rhinestone onto my nail, making sure that the clear polygel does fully cover the back of the rhinestone, meaning I don't have any gaps between the rhinestone and my nail. This will prevent the rhinestones from pulling on things such as my hair. After I have the big rhinestones placed, I'm going to take the no wipe gel top coat that came in the kit and apply this to the nail. I am avoiding putting any top coat on the rhinestones that I've already placed, and I have not cured those rhinestones yet. I am just waiting to apply the other rhinestones and line everything up. So before I cure that in the UV LED lamp, I am going to take the tweezers and pick up these smaller rhinestones and go ahead and place those down as well. So after all of the rhinestones are lined up and I like the placement, I'm going to go ahead and cure that under the UV LED lamp for 1 minute. And I'm going to repeat the exact same rhinestone layout for my pinky nail. Overall, I really love this polygel kit. It comes with every single thing that you need to create beautiful nails. Comes with your UV LED lamp, the nail decorations, and a bunch of different polygel colors. I would definitely recommend this to you guys. I know you would not be disappointed in this nail kit. So if you are interested in purchasing this nail kit, I will link it down below along with my discount code. So now we're going to be placing the nail stickers. I'll be honest, when I did the butterfly series nail kit video, I did not put the butterfly stickers on right. So you want to put a layer of the gel polish on and then put your nail sticker on. By applying your gel base first and then applying the sticker to the wet gel, it does kind of take away the sticker look, so that's one thing that I really liked. So honestly, I didn't really plan out this nail set either, so I spent a good few minutes sitting looking at all of the stickers and trying to figure out how I wanted to place them. So I'm going to go ahead and place the gel top coat on my nail. Then taking the tweezers that came in the nail kit, I'm going to pick up the nail sticker. And I'm going to take that nail sticker and place it into the wet gel. You want to make sure that there's no air bubbles and you push all of the edges down very well to make sure that that gel like surrounds the nail sticker and makes it look like it's not a nail sticker, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of the stickers to this nail. After all of those stickers are in the correct place, I am going to do a full cure under the UV LED lamp. So I wanted to use this little sticker down on the bottom, so I'm just taking some scissors and cutting that out. I did go ahead and measure this against my nail so I know where I need to cut it at. I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel top coat to this entire nail and then apply the nail sticker and then cure under the UV LED lamp. Then I'm going to apply the gel top coat to my thumbnail and then apply the Louis Vuitton symbol at the tip of my nail. Once that sticker is in place, I'm going to do a full cure under the UV LED lamp. And here are what both nails look like. Let me know down in the comments which hand you like better. The right hand is more simple and I really love the rhinestone placement on my right hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.